thunderstorm warning for central Monmouth County in central New Jersey, northern Ocean County in southern New Jersey, until 6:45 p.m. At 5:39 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Clarksburg and moving south at 15 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Six Flags Theme Park around 5:45 p.m., Jackson's Mills around 5:50 p.m., Freewood Acres around 5:55 p.m., Castro around 6 p.m., Jackson around 6:10 p.m., Lakewood around 6:15 p.m. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging winds, destructive hail, and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, but away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following county: